Okay, now I'll show you the window panels going in. So we put a temporary brace here to hold them while we're just while we're building it. Just makes it easier, keep it nice and level, nice and straight. So we just use our usual 10 wedge system the same. These particular window panels are 1 metre high. That's what the client wanted. This is their kitchen window. So they have the bench straight up there, they'll have the glass as their splashback and 1 metre high panels above. So you can see, this is the more technical part of the build, but it's still very straightforward. Now he's ready for the next one.